Students, so welcome you all again. I'm going to continue your problems of integration. Yesterday we have already covered some number of problems, that is still integration of tan inverse x. Okay, now I am going to continue with our problem number 7 that we have stopped yesterday. I am going to start with the problem number 7. So you go on understanding the problem. If you have any confusion, you can ask. As I say, put the question number in the comment box and you can ask the question there. Clear? Okay, see problem number 7. Tell all your friends to join class as much as early possible, so we can go fast as much as possible. So integration of x square into e raised to x. Use your eilate form. So here you can see inverse log algebraic is first function, exponential is second function. So algebraic will be first function, exponential will be second function. Clear? So if I take this, now I am going to write it as first function is as it is, as I said yesterday, right? First function as it is multiplied with integration of second function. So integration of second function will be what? Integration of e raised to x, that is e raised to x minus right integration. So here we have to write e raised to x. Now multiplied with differentiation of x square. So differentiation of x square is 2x with respect to dx. Okay. So now this will be equal to e raised to x into x square minus 2 is constant right outside, e raised to x into x with respect to dx. Clear? So again we have to apply our integration by parts formula, so that minus 2 is constant right outside. So now first function will be x, second function will be e raised to x, right? First function as it is, integration of the second function with respect to dx minus, so integration of, what is integration of e raised to x? It is e raised to x multiplied with differentiation of x is what? Differentiation of x is 1 with respect to dx. Okay. So now e raised to x into x square minus 2 into x is minus 2x. Integration of e raised to x is e raised to x. Minus into minus is plus 2. Integration of e raised to x is e raised to x plus c. So therefore this is your answer. Okay. So here you must be perfect with applying integration by parts formula. So if you are perfect in applying integration by parts formula, then it is going to be very easy. So integration by parts formula will be practiced only if you have the practice of so many number of problems. Clear? So that's why please go through it. So good evening Anmantappa, good evening Sovian, good evening Sagar, good evening to everyone. Are you following my classes? Have you understood problem number 7? So quickly tell me all of you. Good evening Prashant. So please tell me all of you, have you understood this problem? If you not understood, you can put the question number and you can ask the question, no problem. By time being, I can go for problem number 8, that is integration of x into tan inverse x with respect to dx. So here inverse function is first function, algebraic will be second function. So as you all know, we have to write first function as it is, and you have to integrate second function, that will be x square by 2, right? Minus sign. Integration of this x square by 2 have to be written here again, multiplied with differentiation of tan inverse x, that is 1 by 1 plus x square with respect to dx. Okay. So now x square by 2 tan inverse of x minus, take 1 by 2 outside, integration of x square divided by 1 plus x square with respect to dx. So now you see how to simplify integration of x square divided by 1 plus x square, that is x square by 2 tan inverse x minus 1 by 2. So this will be integration of, so I will adjust x square as x square plus 1 minus 1 divided by x square plus 1 with respect to dx. Okay, So now you see how can I write these terms. That will be x square by 2 tan inverse x minus 1 by 2 integration of x square plus 1 divided by x square plus 1 with respect to dx minus integration of dx divided by x square plus 1. Okay. So cancel x square plus 1 and x square plus 1. You will remain with 1. Integration of 1 is what? X. So here you can see integration of dx divided by x square plus 1. That is tan inverse x. So it will be now x square by 2 tan inverse x minus 1 by 2 into integration of 1 is 1 by 2 into x minus into minus is plus integration of dx divided by x square plus 1 is tan inverse x. So that will be 1 by 2 into tan inverse x plus c. Okay. So now good evening all of you. So some are joining now, no problem. Just you go through the problems and you understand them. That's all. Clear? So here this will be the answer, that is x square by 2 tan inverse x minus 1 by 2 x plus 1 by 2 tan inverse x plus c. So this is the answer for problem number 8. So quickly you can tell. If you have any doubts you can ask, no problem. So on the same way I will go for problem number 9. That is integration of x into cos inverse x divided by root of 1 minus x square with respect to dx. Clear? So now you can just see here, I will put cos inverse x as t. I will put cos inverse x as t. Differentiation of cos inverse x is what? Minus 1 by root of 1 minus x square equal to dt by dx. So that will be dx divided by root of 1 minus x square is equal to minus dt. So now you can replace all these terms. That will be, so here you can see, if cos inverse x is equal to t, x will be equal to cos t. Okay. So in the place of x I will write cos t. In the place of cos inverse x I will write t, and dx divided by root of 1 minus x square is minus dt. Okay. So now we have to simplify this. How to simplify? You see, minus integration of t into cos t with respect to dt. Clear? So now this will be equal to minus, you can see isolate form. Again you can see isolate form. Algebraic is first function, trigonometric is second function. So t will be first function, cos t will be second function. Now write first function as it is. What is integration of cos t? That is minus sin t. Right? Minus sin integration of here. So integration of your second function, that you have to write here. So that is minus sin t. Minus into minus will be plus sin t multiplied with differentiation of t with respect to t is what? 1 into dt. Okay. So now this will be equal to minus into minus is plus t sin t plus integration of sin t is minus cos t. So minus into minus will be plus cos t plus c. Okay. So see here, sorry, integration of cos t is sin t. So that's why I must write it as only sin t. Sorry, I have done mistake here. So that I will correct it. No problem. Because integration of cos t is only plus sin t. So minus into plus will be minus. Minus into plus will be minus. So that's why this sign will become minus. Sorry for that. So this is minus t sin t plus, so here you can see integration of sin t is minus cos t, minus into minus will be plus, therefore plus c. Now you can see that t is what? T is cos inverse x. So I will write here t as cos inverse x. But how can you write sin t? You use the formula of sin square t plus cos square t equal to 1. So sin square t is equal to what? Or sin t is equal to, you can write it as root of 1 minus cos square t. Okay. So here sin t you can write root of 1 minus cos square t plus cos t plus c. So now replace the t values, that will be minus cos inverse x. If I write t value as cos inverse x, cos of cos inverse x is x. So you have square, that will be root of 1 minus x square, plus here cos into t is cos inverse x, cos of cos inverse x is x, plus c. This will be your answer. So quickly tell me, have you understood this? Quickly tell me, have you understood this? Because it is little bit lengthy problem, and here you have to use your brains very smartly. So that's why I'm asking. If you know the formulas, then you can understand it. If you know the techniques, then you can understand it, no problem. But quickly tell me, have you understood this or not? Otherwise, you can ask the doubts in the question number 9, so that I will repeat it again. Or I can go for problem number 10. So what is problem number 10? That is integration of e raised to x into sin x with respect to dx. Okay. So now see how to simplify this. I will write this as I equal to e raised to x into sin x with respect to dx. So now again you can use isolate form. So here isolate exponential is last, so it will be the second function. Trigonometry you can take it as first function. So now from this I will be equal to, write first function as it is. Integration of second function is what? Integration of e raised to x is e raised to x minus integration of this e raised to x, you have to write here, multiplied with differentiation of sin x is what? Cos x with respect to dx. Okay. So now I will be equal to e raised to x into sin x minus, again you see here you got e raised to x into cos x. So e raised to x will be second function, cos will be first function. I will write cos x as it is minus, integration of e raised to x is e raised to x minus, you write e raised to x here because you have to write the integration of second function, multiplied with differentiation of cos x is what? Minus sin x. So minus into minus will be plus sin x with respect to dx. So now you see this, I equal to e raised to x into sin x minus into this term is e raised to x into cos x, plus into minus is minus e raised to x into sin x with respect to dx. So see your first equation, that is I. Okay, this is nothing but what? This is nothing but I. Okay, so that will be I. Take e raised to x common. This is sin x minus cos x. Now take this minus I on this side, it will be plus I. So I plus I will be 2I. So 2I equal to e raised to x into sin x minus cos x plus c. So therefore I will be equal to e raised to x by 2 into sin x minus cos x plus c. So this is your answer. So one of you is asking to explain the last step of 9th problem. See the last step of 9th problem. Here you have cos square t. In the place of t you will write cos inverse x. We all know that cos of cos inverse x is x. But here you have square, so that's why it will be x square. On the same way here also, cos of cos inverse x will be equal to x. Clear? So here see, sometimes they will ask this question for 3 mark. More number of times they have asked in the Karnataka board exam, I am telling, they have asked it for 3 marks. Clear? These all are the problems of 3 marks, and be perfect with this so that I can go for the next problem, that is 5 mark section. So I feel that all these 10 problems are very easy for you, and you watch the videos again and again, you solve them so that you can get an idea of solving it. Clear? So now we can go for 5 mark portion. So from here I am going to solve the 5 mark portion. So if we complete the 5 mark portion, so almost the integration is over. Only 1 mark problems will remain. So I feel that you can prepare it on yourself. Already I shared the important problems of 1 mark to your groups. So by looking at that, you can go through it and you can solve them. About 1 mark problems I am telling. So if I cover the 5-mark problems, then almost the integration chapter is over. So I will see today how many problems will be covered. So on that we can see what will happen. So see the solution. First we have to solve integration of dx divided by x square minus a square. So how can you write this? It can be written as integration of dx divided by x minus a into x plus a. So use criss-cross method for this, because here you have 1. In the numerator you have 1. Whenever you have numerator 1, you use this criss-cross method, that is shortcut. So that will be in the form of x plus a and x minus a. That means x minus a go to this term, x plus a go to this term, divided by x minus a into x plus a. Now here you have to write plus or minus. So how to choose this plus or minus? You have to choose in the form of that this x has to be deleted. This x has to be deleted. In like that way you have to adjust with plus and minus sign. So see here, if I write minus sign, what will happen? Minus into x is minus x. Minus into minus is plus a. So minus x plus x will get cancelled. So that's why I has to use minus sign. What happen if you use plus sign? X plus x will be 2x. So x will be not eliminated. So that's why you use minus sign here, so that x is going to be eliminated. So now you can simplify this. A minus into minus is what? Plus. So a plus a is what? 2a. So to adjust that 2a, you can write outside. So if you write like this, it will be very simple. So now 1 by 2a into integration of x plus a divided by x minus a into x plus a with respect to dx, minus integration of x minus a divided by x minus a into x plus a with respect to dx. Cancel x plus a, x plus a, x minus a, x minus a. What is remaining here? Dx divided by x minus a. Write it. 1 by 2a into dx divided by x minus a, minus here integration of dx divided by x plus a. So you can write it as now 1 by 2a into log of mod of x minus a minus of log of mod of x plus a. So this will be equal to plus c. Okay, plus c. Now this will be equal to 1 by 2a into log of mod of x minus a divided by x plus a plus c. This is your formula. This is your formula. Okay. So I think everyone have understood this technique of solving integration of dx divided by x square minus a square. So if you have any confusions, quickly ask me because it is very, very important. So that's why I am asking. If you have any doubts, you can ask, no problem. Otherwise, I will go for the problems on this. That is first one, integration of dx divided by 3x square plus 13x minus 10. We have to simplify this. So see here, if this particular equation, that is dx divided by x square minus a square, and this formula is given, this formula will be based on the integration of dx divided by x square minus a square. So you have to convert this for integration of dx divided by x square minus a square. So how to convert this? See, you just take 3x square plus 13x minus 10. What is the coefficient of x square? You take that common. So 3 is the coefficient of x square. I will take it as common. What is remaining term? X square plus 13 by 3, because I have taken common 3. So that will be 13 by 3 into x minus 10 by 3. So this will be now your equation, because I have taken 3 as common. So if I take 3 as common, x square plus 13 by 3x minus 10 by 3. Now this will be equal to 3 times of, write this bracket, put this square. Write this bracket, put this square. What is your first term? X. Write it. Plus you have to divide the second term with 2. You have to divide the second term with 2 means what? 13 divided by, if I divide this term by 2, what will get? 13 by 3 divided by 2. It will be what? 13 by 3 into 2. That will be 6. So you will get 13 by 6 minus the term what you have here, you have to square that. That means 169 and 6 square is 36 minus 10 by 3. So this is the method of solving this particular equation. Clear? If you look at the formula of integration chapter in the NCERT textbook, you will not understand that and you can't remember that. In that form it is there. Okay. So that's why I am telling, use this shortcuts, use this tricks for solving this particular formula. Clear? If you use this trick, it will be very simple. Clear? Now you see 3 times of x plus 13 by 6 whole square. Here you have to take LCM. LCM will be 36. So multiply it with 12. So that will be 169 divided by 36 minus 120 divided by 36. Clear? So now this will be 3 times of x plus 13 by 6 whole square minus, if you sum this, you are going to get 289 by 36. Clear? So now 3 times of x plus 13 by 6 whole square minus 17 by 6 whole square. Now you see it is in the form of 3 times of x square minus a square. That is what we required. In the place of x, you have x plus 13 by 6. In the place of a, you have 17 by 6. Clear? So that's why you have to understand this technique. Very simple technique. Very simple technique. Okay. So if you understand that technique, it is very good, and while solving also you will feel very interesting. So that's why I tell, for how many students it has understood, I don't know, but some of you are telling to repeat it again. No problem, I will repeat it again, but you have to understand it. See, directly I will solve only the equation. Directly I will solve only the equation. Concentrate. 3x square plus 13x minus 10. How to simplify this algebraic equation? You just see. Whatever be the x coefficient, you take it outside. Whatever it may be. It may be 1, it may be minus 1, it may be 3. You take it outside. Write the remaining term, x square. So if 3 is taken outside, it will be 13 by 3 into x minus 10 by 3. I think everyone can understand this. If I take 3 as common, these are the remaining terms. If I take 3 as common, these are the remaining terms. So 3 times of, say this, put bracket, put square. Put one bracket, put square. In the second step, put bracket, put square. See the first term. It is x. Write as it is. So whatever be the sign here, write that. If it is plus, you write plus. If it is minus, you write minus. Okay. If it is plus, you write plus. If it is minus, you write minus. Clear? Now here you have plus, so I will write plus. What is present here? X coefficient. X coefficient is 13 by 3. So whatever may be the x coefficient, you have to divide it by 2. In the equation, whatever be the x coefficient, you have to divide it by 2. So if I divide it by 2, it is nothing but what? 2 by 1. So 13 by 3 into 1 by 2 you are going to get, that is nothing but 13 by 6. So that you have to write here. Clear? Next, whatever be the sign here, it may be plus or it may be minus. You have to write minus. Don't worry about this signature. Whatever it may be, don't worry about it. You just write minus here. If it is plus, no problem. If it is minus, no problem. But outside you must write the negative sign. Outside you must write the negative sign. Clear? So now what is present here? 13 by 6. Square this. That will be 169 by 36. And what is present here? Write that. That is 10 by 3. So this is your equation now. So take LCM in between these two. LCM will be 36. So multiply it with 12. So 3 times of x plus 13 by 6 whole square minus 169 by 36. This will be 120 by 36 over. So take LCM and you simplify this. X plus 13 by 6 whole square minus 289 divided by 36. So this will be 3 times of x plus 13 by 6 whole square minus 17 by 6 square over. Clear? So this is your solution that you have to simplify. Have you understood this? Have you understood this? Watch the video again and again. If you still get the doubt after the end of the class, watch the video again and again. You can understand the steps. You can understand the steps and you can simplify it. Clear? Okay. So coming to your problem. Now you got this particular value, right? Now you have to put this in this place and you have to simplify. See what will happen. I will write it in the form of, so I think everyone have understood this. So I will remove all these terms and I will write it here. That is integration of dx divided by 3x square plus 13x minus 10 will be equal to, you see what you got, 1 by 3 outside, dx divided by, what is the remaining term, x plus 13 by 3 whole square minus 17 by 6 whole square. Now apply this formula, that is 1 by 3 as it is, 1 by 2a. You see the formula 1 by 2a. Here you have 1 by 2a. A value is present here. See, a value is 17 by 6. So 2 times of 17 by 6 log of mod of x term is what? X plus 13 by 6, not 13 by 3, 13 by 6. So 13 by 6, check your one's formula, x minus a. So write this x minus a, 17 by 6 divided by mod of x 13 by 6 plus 17 by 6 plus c. Clear? So therefore 1 by 3, this will be 2 into 1, 2 into 3. So that will be 3 by 17, 1 by 3 into 3 by 17, 1 by 3 into 3 by 17, 3 by 17 log of mod of 13 by 6 minus 17 by 6 is x minus 4 by 6 divided by, here x plus 13 plus 17, it will be 30 by 6 plus c. Now take LCM and simplify. 3 will get cancelled. So 1 by 17 log of mod of, it will be 6x minus 4 divided by 6x plus 30 plus c. Clear? So this is your answer. You can take 2 term common and you can simplify. No worries. You can take 2 common and you can cancel it. 2x, it will be 3x minus 2, 3x plus 15. Okay, you can write that, no problem. But this much is more than enough for your problem. Clear? So I think all of you have understood this, so that I can go for the next problem. That is dx divided by x square minus 8x plus 5. So I will solve it. And you see here one very important term, problem number 3 and 4. Problem number 3 and 4 you can solve directly by using the formula. So I will not solve these two things because you can directly solve here. A value is what? 5. Here A value is what? 4. Directly you can write it. No problem. Clear? So I will solve the second one, which is tough for you. I will leave these two for you because they are very easy. So I will solve the tough problem. You solve the easy problem. Okay. No worries. I has to add one more page here to simplify this because we have gone through shortage of pages. No worry. I will solve quickly. I will add one more page and I will simplify it. Okay. So you see this. This has been already solved. Here also this has been already solved. Here I will add one page and I will simplify. See the second problem, that is integration of dx divided by x square minus 8x plus 5. X square minus 8x plus 5. So this will be, here you have x square minus 8x plus 5. So 1 is coefficient of x square, no problem. Directly you can put bracket and put square. First term is x, write x. Next minus sign, write as it is. Coefficient of x has to be divided by 2, so that will be 4. So write negative sign. 4 square is 16 plus 5 is there, write it. So it will be x minus 4 whole square minus 16 plus 5 is minus 9. So therefore x minus 4 whole square minus 3 square. I can write it here. Clear? So that will be integration of dx divided by x minus 4 whole square minus 3 square. This will be equal to 1 by 2a. A term is 3. Log of mod of x minus 4. You can see the formula. Here you have negative sign, write minus 3. Divided by x minus 4, you have positive sign. You can write positive 3 plus c. So this will be 1 by 6 log of mod of x minus 4. X minus 7 divided by x minus 1 plus c. This is your answer. Clear? So once you understand the problem, it is very simple. See, here you have so many number of points to understand, so that's why it gone this much of length. Once you understand the problem, see how it will become very short. Clear? So quickly you can see the fourth problem. What is the fourth problem? Integration of dx divided by x square minus 25. X square minus 25. That will be integration of dx divided by x square minus 5 square. Directly use formula 1 by 2a. A value is 5. Log of mod of x minus 5 divided by x plus 5 plus c. This is your answer. 1 by 10 log of mod of x minus 5 divided by x plus 5 plus c over. So this much in this simple form you are going to have this. Okay. So that's why I am telling, please take care of this. Very simple problems. So once you understand them, they are going to be very simple. Clear? So fifth problem you solve on your own. Sorry, fourth problem. This is third problem, right? This is third problem. Fourth one you try to solve on your own. It is very easy. Fourth one is very easy. You can solve it on your own. So already I have explained everything. So you go through it and you solve it. Clear? I will go for the next problem number 2. That is integration of dx divided by a square minus x square. Again you use criss-cross method. That will be dx divided by a square minus x square is what? A minus x into a plus x. A minus x into a plus x. This will be in the form of a minus x into a plus x. Clear? That will be a plus x minus, okay, don't put negative sign now only, let us check it, what will be there. Let us wait and see what the sign will be. So a plus x, here a minus x, take this crisscross. So if you a minus x is present here, so take it here a minus x. A plus x is present here, take a plus x. Okay. Divided by a minus x into a plus x. No problem. X plus a or a plus x both are same. Okay. So dx. Now you see, I has to put sign here. Either I can put minus or I can put plus. How to choose one of this? If I choose that term, your x has to be eliminated. If I choose that term, x has to be eliminated. So if I choose plus, You see here, plus into minus is what? Minus. So plus x minus x will get cancelled. So that's why you take plus x, plus into minus is minus. So plus x and minus x will get cancelled. So that's why I can choose plus sign. A plus a is 2a. You can adjust it outside. So a plus x divided by a minus x into a plus x with respect to dx, plus a minus x divided by a minus x into a plus x with respect to dx. Cancel a plus x, a plus x, a minus x, a minus x. So this will be 1 by 2a dx divided by a minus x. See, this will be log of mod of a minus x divided by minus 1. 90% of students forget this minus 1 to write here. Please remember, the x coefficient has to be written divided by form. This x coefficient form has to be divided by minus 1. That 90% of student will forget and they will get wrong answer. So that's why don't forget this coefficient of x has to be written in the form of divided. Because in integration, whatever will be the x coefficient, that will be divided. Okay. So take this plus integration of dx divided by, it will be what? Log of mod of a plus x. Log of mod of a plus x. Clear? That will be log of mod of a plus x plus c. This will be 1 by 2a. And this minus sign will be multiplied here. This will be log of mod of a plus x, and this negative sign you write here, minus of log of mod of a minus x plus c. So now this will be equal to, now this term will be equal to 1 by 2a 1 by 2a log of mod of a plus x divided by a minus x plus c. This is your formula. So I think you have understood this, and remember this particular step, that is writing divided by minus 1. Very important. 90% of students forget this to write and they get the wrong answer. So very important. Remember this term. So now log of a minus log of b will be log of a by b. Clear? Now let us go for problems on this. What is problems on this? That is dx divided by 12 minus x square plus 2x. Clear? So I will solve this. No problem. Okay, let us simplify it. That is integration of dx divided by 12 minus x square plus 2x. 12 minus x square plus 2x. So to simplify this, what I said, you follow that. 12, write this plus 2x as it is, write this minus x square as it is. Clear? So now what I said, take the x square coefficient common. So here x square coefficient is minus 1, you take it outside of the bracket. So it will be x square minus 2x minus 12. Now follow the same method. Minus of, right bracket, put square. First term is x, write it. Negative sign, write it. Now x coefficient has to be divided by 2. Divide this by 2, that will be 1. Write negative sign. 1 square is 1. So outside you have minus 12, write it. So over. So minus of x minus 1 whole square minus 13. Okay. So now take negative sign inside the bracket. Minus into minus will be plus 13. And this sign will be minus of x minus 1 whole square. So now you can write it as root 13 square minus of x minus 1 whole square. So now this will be equal to integration of dx divided by root 13 square minus of x minus 1 whole square. So apply that formula, that will be 1 by 2a. 2a, a value is root 13, log of mod of, you just see, a plus x, that will be root 13 plus of x minus 1 divided by root 13 minus of x minus 1 plus c. So now this is your answer. Clear? So no problem, if you write this much, it is more than enough. Okay, or if you want, you can write it as 2 by root 13 log of mod of root 13 minus 1 plus x divided by root 13 plus 1 minus x plus c, right? Like this also, no problem. So now please quickly tell me, all of you, have you understood this? So today at 1 p.m. in the afternoon, I have discussed some very important determinants problem for passing package students. So please watch that 1 p.m. video. Today I have solved 2 problems of determinants, finding inverse. How many of you have seen that video? How many of you have seen that video? I don't know. If you have not seen, please watch it, because I have solved 2 problems which are very important for your part E section. For the passing package students, I have solved that. So that will be very important for you also. Please go through it and please understand that problem, because that is going to be very, very important. Okay. Okay. Now let us go for the second problem. Clear? So I will go for the second problem on this and let us simplify it. Okay. So see the second problem, that is integration of dx divided by 7 minus 6x minus x square. So you see this 7 minus 6x minus x square, take negative sign outside, it will be x square plus 6x minus 7. Okay, if I take negative sign outside, it will be x square plus 6x minus 7. So now minus as it is, put bracket, whole square. What is first term? X, write it. What is sign? Write it. Divide x coefficient by 2. So 6 divided by 2 is 3. Minus 3 square is 9. Minus 7. Now this will be minus of x plus 3 whole square minus 16. So this will be, take negative sign inside now. So that will be plus 16 minus x plus 3 whole square. So that will be equal to nothing but 4 square minus of x plus 3 whole square. So write it and simplify it. Dx divided by 4 square minus x plus 3 whole square. So that will be 1 by 2a. A value is 4. Log of mod of a value is how much? 4. So log of mod of a plus x. So a plus x plus 3 divided by a minus x plus 3 plus c. That will be 1 by 8 log of mod of, you can see this will be 7 plus x, and this will be 1 minus x plus c. This is your answer. Clear? So I have solved both the problems because they are little bit tough for everyone to simplify, but once you understand them, they are going to be very easy. So please watch this video again and again, because these are the 5 mark problems. So that's why you have to be very, very careful. Clear? Okay. So now let us go for the third one. That is integration of dx divided by x square plus a square. So what is integration of dx divided by x square plus a square? Here put x equal to a tan theta. Put x equal to a tan theta. So now if I differentiate, differentiation of x square will be 1, differentiation of tan will be secant square theta, and differentiation of theta will be d theta by dx. So therefore dx will be equal to a secant square theta d theta. Now replace the terms. Integration of dx as a secant square theta d theta divided by x value is a tan theta, that will be a square tan square theta plus a square. So now here you can see a square is common, take it outside. So here a you have a divided by a square, integration of secant square theta d theta divided by what is remaining term, tan square theta plus 1, because a square has gone outside, cancel a and a. 1 plus tan square theta is secant square theta, so cancel this term and secant square theta, because both are same. 1 plus tan square is secant square and already secant square is present here, cancel both of them. What will remain? 1 by a into d theta. So what is integration of d theta? Theta. So that will be 1 by a into theta plus c. So what you have here? X equal to a tan theta. So x equal to a tan theta, and from this you can write tan theta will be equal to x by a, theta will be equal to tan inverse of x by a. So you use this and write here. Therefore 1 by a, in the place of theta I will write tan inverse of x by a plus c. This is your answer. Clear? So very simple formula, that is dx divided by x square plus a square. Dx divided by x square plus a square. So from that you can put x equal to a tan theta. If you put x equal to a tan theta, differentiation you know that it will be secant square theta d theta divided by dx. So dx will be a secant square theta d theta. Replace all the term, simplify it, you will get 1 by a tan inverse of x by a plus c. I feel that all of you have understood this. Now I will go for problems on that. See, first problem, dx divided by 3 plus 2x plus x square. So from this what you can see here, 3 plus 2x plus x square, no problem. All the values are plus, so you can take plus as common, no changes. So now I will write it as bracket square. So no problem, you take it as x square plus 2x plus 3, both are same. So first term is x, write it, sign is plus, write it, divide the x coefficient by 2, that will be 1. Now write negative sign outside, 1 square will be what? 1, plus 3 is present, write it. So this will be x plus 1 whole square, minus 1 plus 3 will be plus 2. Now this will be x plus 1 whole square plus root 2 square. Write it here. This will be equal to integration of dx divided by x plus 1 whole square plus root 2 square. That will be 1 by a. 1 by a means root 2. Tan inverse of x by a, that is x plus 1 by root 2 plus c. Clear? So I feel from this easily you can understand this. No problem. Very simple problem, but most of you have to understand these steps. If you understand these steps, then you can enjoy the integration 5-mark problems. Then you can really enjoy integration of 5-mark problems. Clear? So therefore be careful, watch this video again and again, so that can you give the idea. Clear? So here I am not using any confused formulas. Clearly I am explaining everything. You also practice that, so it will be very simple. Okay, let us go for the second problem. What is the second problem? Integration of I will go for the second problem, that is integration of dx divided by x square minus 6x plus 13. Integration of dx divided by x square minus 6x plus 13. This is the problem. Okay. So this will be x square minus 6x plus 13. No problem. x square sign is positive, so no that much of confusion, put bracket square. First term is x, write x, sign is negative, write negative. You have 6 here, divide this by 2, that will be 3. So if this is 3, 3 square is 9, write it outside with negative sign, plus 13. So this will be x minus 3 whole square minus 13 plus minus 9 plus 13, 3 gone, 6 gone, so it will be plus 4. Therefore x minus 3 whole square plus 2 square. Now this will be integration of dx divided by x minus 3 whole square plus 2 square. So 1 by a, that is 2, tan inverse of x value is x minus 3 divided by a value is 2, plus c. This is your answer. Okay. So I feel that all of you are enjoying these things, and I think first see how to watch this particular video. You watch this video and see what I am explaining, and please concentrate on my explanation, in which step I am solving in which way. That is what the way of understanding this 5-mark problems. Don't use any another method. If you simply sit and watch it, you will never understand. You see what I am explaining, you concentrate on that while watching this video again. In one shot you can't understand these problems. You have to go for 2 or 3 revisions of this video, then only you can understand them. So I feel that all of you are very much happy, and I feel that all of you are understanding the problem. And also see the video of the afternoon 1 p.m. which I have explained the determinants problem. So from that you can understand so many things. So I feel that this much is enough for today. 2 problems are remaining. One is 1 by root of x square plus a square. Another one is 1 by root of x square minus a square. So if you tell to solve this problem in the next class, I will solve them tomorrow. Otherwise, suggest me the next chapter which you want. So if you tell me to solve this, I will solve these 2 problems and I will start the next chapter. If you tell no need of these 2 problems, I will leave these 2 problems and I will go for the next chapter. So which is good? Quickly tell me. And if you have any doubts, you can ask. No problem. If you have any doubts, you can ask. No problem. I will wait for 5 minutes and I will reply for all your doubts, and then we can end this. Okay, so at last we are at the end of integration chapter. I think 5 classes are over. So Anusha is telling to solve. What about others? Quickly tell me. Lakshmi is telling to solve. So next chapter all of you are telling it as continuity and differentiability. Okay, no problem. Next I will start continuity and differentiability. Okay, so tomorrow we shall finish these 2 problems and we shall start continuity and differentiability. Okay, so thank you everyone. Take care, be safe and be at home. Thank you. Let us meet in the tomorrow's class. Take care, be at home. Okay, so bye, good night.